So today I'm doing a screen replacement on my ASUS X55c. You can see the model number right there. First step to do is to remove the battery so you can stay safe and not get shocked. Now I have already removed the screen just to make sure that I was ordering the correct screen. Although laptopscreens.com is very diligent with their information provided, I just wanted to double check because that is my engineering background. So here's my beautiful new matte finish screen. I'm going to be showing you how to install it in the reverse process once you already have it out. So you can just watch the video backwards to figure out how to uninstall it. So if you see these little flanges right here, this is what holds the screen to the back of the laptop. So give me a second to set this up. So now that I've put the screws back on, I've got the hinges on the back of my laptop screen. I'm going to plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. How I'm going to do that is by sliding this piece into that little opening right there and then laying the tape down on top of it. Now I'm be very gentle doing this because it's a scary process, kind of. See, I didn't even plug in the right side the second time. Always go with your gut. And that told me this way was the correct way. Which was correct. There we go. You probably didn't hear it, but I felt two little snaps, which meant that all 41 pins are on there. So I never took the bottom mounting brackets off, but I did the top. And so I'm going to go ahead and screw that back on. Uh-oh. There. Woo! Got a whole bunch of stuff going on. Whoa, yeller. Got this piece on the screen. There we go. I highly suggest you magnetize your screwdriver, because I'm used to working on big screws, cars and stuff. These screws are a lot smaller. And, yep, there's no more. So, once you put both of the top two flanges on, the bottom two flanges don't have to be removed. The screen just sits in them. Got my screw right here. Now I'm going to put this trim piece back on. Now to do that, I started off popping it out on the screen and on the webcam, basically. Hear that one snap. There's the other snap. That sounds good. So to remove it, what I did was put my thumb nail between the screen and the plastic part and pulled up this way. I worked my way out and then down and then stopped at these two hinges and then popped out the middle piece. So now I'm doing it backwards, basically. And I already put the two hinges on. I'm gently applying pressure. You could hear it snap into place. And now I'm basically just going to work my way up, making sure that the webcam is not covered. Ooh, all those fit into place. Now the last step is these two screws to keep the faceplate on. Go ahead and put that screw in right there. I'm going to turn it till it's tight I'm not going to crank it down because it's not really a load bearing screw. And I'm going to put this little cover sticky piece back on it to keep it looking all pretty, which is really hard to do, so I'm going to attach it to this and then put it on there. Nope, not that time. Alright, boom, there we go. My computer is back to normal. Can't wait to plug it up and test it out. Thanks for watching, y'all. And www.laptopscreens.com is the stuff. Great prices. Easy to read. Oh, and look at that matte finish. I can't wait to see that with it lit up. It'll probably look a lot better than the gloss finish. Alright, later, y'all.